Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Susan's just making it. I'm Susan, and as always I'm here making stuff, messes, chaos, and just trying to make it through life. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if this is your first time watching, welcome to my channel. If you'd be so inclined, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. It's right here, it takes a quick second, helps my channel, and it means a lot to me. Hope everyone's doing great. I have a FabFitFun Fall unboxing to do today, but before I get started with that, I'd like to say that you're probably going to see quite a few videos this week of me wearing the same shirt. No, I'm not a slob. I take a shower and change my clothes. It's just that with my recent absence from YouTube, a lot of stuff is piled up that I want to record and get out to you guys. So anyway, I had to pull my hair up. I did a couple videos already. I had to pull my hair up because it's about to get real. Okay, so with the FabFitFun Fall unboxing, FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription. It runs approximately $54 a season, or if you subscribe annually, it's around $199. I have been getting FabFitFun as a yearly subscriber. Last fall, I was gifted a starter box from Joan over at Beauty Subscriptions and More, and I was really impressed with what I received. So I went ahead and subscribed as a yearly member, and this is my last box from that subscription. I was on the fence about whether or not I was going to renew or not, either seasonally or yearly. And I thought, well, let me get my fall box and then I'll decide if I want to, continue my subscription. Well, this box was definitely my determining factor. I will no longer be getting FabFitFun. Now, those of you that love FabFitFun, please don't come for me. I think the selections for the fall box were, how can I say this tactfully? Never mind. They sucked. Did not care for the selections they gave us this season. I was on the fence. After the selections, I'm like, I'm done. Thank you anyway. I like to do a mix when I get a box. Some lifestyle, some beauty. I did not see a single lifestyle item that I was remotely interested in. Not impressed. Those of you that love FabFitFun, that's all, well and fine. I'm done. So here's the box that I received, this little bitty box, which was too big for the stuff I got. I'm not saying I hate what I chose. I do like, for the most part, what I chose. I'm just saying that the selections were ugh. So there is one item in here I'm kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to keep or not. But my not being crazy about it will be somebody's gain in some form. So I went ahead and cut the tape, and as always we have our little magazine that they include, and I do enjoy leafing through these, and like I've said before, there's not much to them, so they're easy to actually read versus a magazine that you leaf halfway through and you're done with. So, and also before I get started, I do have 4 starter boxes left to gift. Don't let my opinion keep you from wanting to get a starter box and possibly subscribe. I'm not saying that it's not worth subscribing. It's just, it's not working for me. But if you're interested in a starter box, you can either email me or Instagram. Both of those are down below in my description box, and I'll be more than happy to send you an invite to a starter box. The starter boxes are free. You just have to pay $5 for the shipping and handling. Before they bill you, which it'll tell you how long you have before they'll bill you, you can either go ahead and subscribe, either for the seasonal membership or the yearly membership, or cancel. So just throwing that out there. If you want a starter box, hit me up. So, and of course, our brown paper. Okay, and they always throw in your little extras. I have a card here for Taste Buds Love Us, Daily Harvest, and a whole discount, whatever. Doesn't interest me any. And they put this in last time too. It's for Bright Cellars wine subscription. I hate wine. Don't drink it. I don't care about that either. So I'm going to go ahead and put my items on the table next to me because they're so huge. I will just say, I like the FabFitFun boxes. They're awesome for packing stuff in, and with the little flaps, you know, stuff that you keep opening and closing the box to get. I give you that. They have awesome boxes. But is it worth keeping the subscription? Not really. Okay, so I don't even know what to get. Okay, I'll just grab whatever and start. So, my least favorite item from the box. Fenty Beauty, the Stunna lip paint. Okay, it is in the shade Unbutton. Okay, I wasn't crazy about it, but it was like the lesser of the evils, I guess you'd say. Not that I don't like Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty. Actually, the eyeshadow I'm wearing today is a Fenty Beauty palette, and I have a couple products. I kind of kicking myself because in previous selections they had the highlighter, and I should have grabbed that, but I didn't. There was something else I must have wanted more. But I mean, the packaging is awesome. Super cute packaging, but the color, I don't know, I guess it's okay. It's like a nice nude color, but my opinion is for a selection for FabFitFun, I would want something that had a little bit more of a wow factor. It's just okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I'm going to like think about it for a while, but yeah. So there's that. The next thing I got was the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence, which is the hydrating face spray. Now this, I know Dr. Brandt is a really excellent brand, and this is a nice product to have, but like I said, nothing thrilling. Let's see what else I got. I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Well, you know, I've heard that this is a good brand as well, and we all need moisturizer, so I'll definitely use it. And again, the packaging is really nice. It's in a nice glass bottle, very pretty. I'll probably keep this. A lot of my stuff I keep in the box, so I'm ready to use, but this might actually end up out of the box because it's pretty enough to look at. But it's a moisturizer. Again, okay, I don't mean to be a negative Nancy, but I'm just not thrilled with my box this season. Then I have, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, BLAQ. I know you guys have probably already watched a ton of FabFitFun unboxings. Because of my little vacation from YouTube, I'm late unboxing mine. I've had it for over a week, but it's just been sitting there waiting for me to get in the right frame of mind to record again. So it's the Pumpkin Fresh Peepers, minimizes puffiness and dryness. It's the under eye mask. Now this I am kind of happy to have because I love under eye masks and I like pumpkin. So I'm hoping that this is something that I'll enjoy. I have no reason to think that I won't. And it's got 5 sets in here, I believe. I really don't feel like opening it just yet because I don't want to open it till I'm almost ready to use it. But it says see life through a fresh pair of eyes with these hydrogel patches enriched with pumpkin extract, fruit enzymes, red algae, and cognac. I can't read that. Oh, not my glasses. I don't want the glare. Cognac. It's like a nourishing salad for your peepers. Store in a cool, dry place under 30 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Like, I don't want to put salad on my face, but I would have thought of a better description for that. But these I am kind of happy about. Okay, the next thing is the NARS. It's a NARS blush, and it is in the shade Orgasm X. And I remember they had 2 shades, and this one everybody raves and raves and raves. It's like the best blush ever. So in when they showed the two different colors, I definitely did like this one more. And I opened it. Yeah, I opened my box. I just didn't record it. But the thing is, I got a couple things to say about this too. Okay, the packaging is nice. I like the feel of it. It's got, I don't know, like a matte feel to it, which I really like. So the packaging is really nice, sleek and whatever. And it's got the mirror and the shade saver with the little NARS on it. And here's the color for those of you that have not seen it. Beautiful color. Love it. But here's the only thing. I have no complaints about the color of the blush. I really am looking forward to using it. But is it just me, or it says net weight 0.16 ounce? Kind of a tiny blush, isn't it? I mean, it's one of our selections, but it's kind of small for one of our selections. Just saying. Let's put this back in there because I'd be upset if I ended up breaking it before I can even use it. It's really gorgeous. I am looking forward to using it. And then I selected the eyeshadow brushes because my opinion is we can never have enough eyeshadow brushes. The more we have, the less often we have to wash them. Works for me. But it's a 4-piece set, and I do like that it comes in the zipper bag. Not that I'm probably going to keep it in the zipper bag. I'm probably just going to throw it in with my other eyeshadow brushes. And they're from Luxie, and they're a real pretty green color on the handle. And I really like them. And that's my 6 selections. And then I'm guessing that this is a freebie that they threw in. It's Lumify eye drops. Now, I have had these in the past. However, I've never gotten a chance to use them because one of my sons hijacked them, and that was that. My sister was like, oh, I'll take the Lumify. And I'm like, no, because once in a while my eyes get kind of red and dry, like when I've been up too late or whatever, and I'd like to have them on hand in case I need them. Otherwise, I wouldn't have minded sharing, but they're nice to keep for myself. But up until now, I've been pretty happy with my FabFitFun. Like I said, a mix of lifestyle, a mix of beauty. This one was pretty much all beauty, as you can see. No lifestyle products. But they're good brands. Fenty is a good brand. Dr. Brandt, NARS. My thing is, though, I'm not saying that the monetary value isn't there, but, you know, for a season, and you look forward all season to your box. It's not like you get it every month. You look forward all season. Here's my box. Just saying. Like, how does this excite you? This is my box. I waited my whole, 4 months for this. I mean, don't come at me. I'm not trying to be awful, but it's like, I think that, well, maybe for people that get a lot of subscription boxes, it's not a big deal, but I really don't, because I refuse to spend money I don't have on things I don't really need just to have content for my channel. Sorry. But, so I've only had a few subscription boxes since I've started my channel, and when you don't have many subscription boxes and you wait a whole season and this is what you waited for, it's like, not that I won't use the products and they're bad, but I'll have to admit I'm a little disappointed. I wasn't really impressed with my fall box. So, like I said, hey, I'm not saying that the boxes are not going to be great in the future, but it was my determining factor when I saw the selections. I was like, they're not really giving us much of a selection, so I think I'm done with FabFitFun. So that is what I selected this season. Let me know what you think down in the description box. You know, am I being a little not so nice about it, or do you agree? What do you think of the products I selected? Like I said, no hate toward FabFitFun. It just was my determining factor, and I wasn't impressed this season. So that's all I have to share with you guys today. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, I'd appreciate it if you take the time to do so. And until next time, bye everyone.